Hello everyone, this is Shramik, currently working as a service supervisor at Hala Equipment Trading. Today I am going to be showing you how we help customers upgrade from a lead acid battery into a Heding lithium-ion battery. Forklifts, reach trucks or any other material handling equipment of absolutely any brand can be upgraded to a Heding lithium-ion battery. This battery charges from 0 to 100% in just under 3 hours, requires absolute no water top-ups and delivers consistent high performance shift after shift. This battery comes with an advanced battery management system which maximizes the battery life and also ensures that the battery can be safely operated even in 55 degrees Celsius of heat. We remove the lead acid battery from the machine and replace it with a Heding lithium-ion battery in 30 minutes flat. So first we will disconnect the battery from the machine entirely. Then we are going to mount the lifting harnesses which will allow us to remove the lead acid battery and swap in the Heding lithium-ion battery back into the machine. Now that we have installed the battery, we will plug it into the machine and connect this wire to our new display meter. And now we are good to go. Backed by a 5-year or 10,000 hour warranty and Hala's expert service support, switching to lithium has never made more sense. Call us today and switch to lithium with confidence. Hala is where problems meet solutions.